Welcome. If you're tired of getting those constant in-app notifications for page invitations on LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable these notifications on your PC, following the latest LinkedIn update. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your homepage. Click on the Me icon. This is where your profile picture appears. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Now that you're in the Settings area, look for the Notifications tab. This is where LinkedIn organizes all the different alerts and updates you might receive. Click on Notifications to open up your notification preferences. Next, scroll down or look for the section labeled Pages. Click on Pages to see all the notification options related to LinkedIn pages. Here, you'll find a specific setting for page invitations. This is the option that controls whether you get notified when someone invites you to follow a company or organization page. To disable these in-app notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to page invitations. Once you do this, you'll stop receiving those pop-up notifications every time someone sends you a page invite. This change only affects in-app notifications, so you can still choose to receive email or push notifications if you prefer. But the constant interruptions on LinkedIn itself will be gone. And that's it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for page invitations on LinkedIn using your PC. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these steps again and turn the notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other LinkedIn tips to make your professional life a little bit easier.